Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to make a safe PayPal transaction. I'll be taking you on how to ensure that as the buyer or the seller, you make a transaction that will be safe so that the other party may not end up maybe filing a dispute. And in case they file a dispute, you'll be there to win. You'll be safe. You'll be protected by PayPal buyer-seller protection that protects both. So the other thing is to ensure as the buyer, when you pay for a product that the seller delivers to you, you will be safe so that you will not end up paying for services and people will con you. The other thing in the tutorial is to ensure that once you send someone a transaction, it does not goes on hold for them. And in case it goes for hold, how to remove that hold. And the last thing that I'll be teaching is how to confirm a payment so that you enter and how to enter a shipping address and a tracking address. For this tutorial and more, ensure you subscribe. I'll take you one-on-one to the tutorial. So we'll go. This is our first PayPal. So the very first thing that you need to do when you are making a transaction, maybe you are the seller and you want to provide somebody to pay you. So to avoid them filing a dispute of unauthorized access, come here and make a request to overpayment. When you make a request of overpayment, you will come and click request payments. Once you click request payment, you will be able to come and key here. So in case I myself I'm the seller, I will need to request my buyer for payment. I'll come here and I'll click request and I'll click next. Once I click next, I'll come here and maybe input $10. Once I put $10, the payment will go through. I'll add a note to ensure that everything is safe. You'll come here and say that pay for laundry service of a bill of $10 US. Once I click that, you'll be able, we've keyed in the balance. It was a request, and we'll be able to say request a payment. This, you see, you requested $10 from Dennis Kid 11, and we are good to go. So once you do that, you will come. I have another PayPal for demonstration purpose. This is another PayPal account, PayPal B. Once we refresh our PayPal, we'll find as the seller the transaction that you sent to the other party. This is what happens. This is another PayPal. You can see the balance is different, and this is a business PayPal. So today's tutorial was how to ensure you make safe transactions. So we can see that that the bill from Mary Kobe of 10 pay for laundry service. So this means that once you make a request of a payment, you do not end up people coming to dispute maybe for anything, and you will be good to go. So that is step number 1. Step number 2 is how to create an invoice. Anytime as the seller, you're offering services to the buyer, always draft them an invoice. Once you draft them an invoice, it will be very good to you. So I'll show you how to create an invoice. We are from the seller side. You will come and say manage an invoice. Once we come manage invoice, we'll come here and we'll be able to we'll maybe pick one of the invoices. We'll say copy. Once we say copy, we'll be able to get the invoice. This is the invoice that has already been made. This invoice, the invoice has the details. Ensure that in case you're delivering services, draft a very detailed invoice. This will save you a lot of stress because one thing with the invoice, you'll be able to indicate your terms. This is the invoice that I'm drafting. The very first thing you do to the invoice is you send the bill to. I have said it is Mary Kobe. Then you will see another email. Then you will be able to indicate the quantity of products that you need. Then you will be able to put the details that you want for your transactions. Maybe let us make another item. So we'll be able to key in, maybe we'll just click bill. You'll be able to put your bill details. In case you have other details or in your bill details, you'll be able to key in the reason that the person is paying. Then you will come here and we'll be able to add the amount, the quantity of the products maybe you're offering to. Then we'll be able here and we'll come here and put the bill. Because there are 2 products, by default it will count $10. So that is a transaction that we've already made. Then you will come here and put a note. Ensure that anytime as a seller, you put a lot of details. So now like here, I'm saying that we met with the buyer online. The buyer contacted me through WhatsApp number. I've put all the details notes. Then it's very important to indicate the reason for the payment. Reason for the payment, you see the terms and conditions. You put some terms and conditions, and we can come and preview the invoice. Once we preview the invoice, we can see that it was by Checks Export developers. They were sending to someone, and we can see the description. The bill is to Mary Kobe. The Mary Kobe is the other PayPal. The buyer was to send $70 PayPal with the WhatsApp chat. Ensure that you put notes on of the transaction, so that in case there is a dispute, in case somebody is trying to fraud you, maybe you might some buyers online, they tell you to deliver a service. Upon delivering a service, they will go to chargeback. This is a way to get them. Come indicate the terms and conditions. Maybe one of the terms of the condition, no chargeback, no reversals, and I've indicated that we agreed that to make one transaction of this, and we agreed that the WhatsApp chat are to serve as official evidence as it was the platform that we sealed the deal. I'm able to indicate all this so in case we'll have a dispute on once I send I will be able to send it. On sending it, the other PayPal will be able to receive that bill. Will come to the other PayPal. So this is the first PayPal that we had billed some amount. So we'll come here and indicate we'll be able to refresh our PayPal. Once we refresh our PayPal, we can see that there is Checks Export developers has sent a bill of $80. So once we see a bill of $80, we'll come here and we'll be able to make that payment. We can see invoice details, Checks Export developers. So you can see all the details, the invoice number, the date, the description, why we are transacting, the bills, the notes of the wire transaction. So this one prevents you on Amazon. You deliver a shoe to a person, then they say maybe you never delivered the right size, you never delivered the right color. This is the way to avoid these disputes. The way to avoid them is ensure you put all these details, then you will be able to click the pay. Once you click pay that bill, it will take you to a platform that you will be able to securely. It have to secure a login. We can see that Checks Export developers, this is the payment that you are making. You can be able, if you have a card, you can be able to key in the details, or maybe if you have a PayPal balance, it can still fetch from the PayPal balance. Will not be paying for this transaction. We'll go to the third thing, how to confirm a payment. So in case you have any issue about PayPal, reach me out via my WhatsApp number. Head to my channel, ensure you subscribe. Then in my newest videos, you will find my WhatsApp number where you will reach me out in case you have a dispute, in case your cash is old, in case you need to buy dollars from me, in case you need to link PayPal and Payoneer, I'm there to assist you. Ensure that I'll be able to assist you. So ensure you visit my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. We'll be able to see its logo. So the third thing will be able to confirm a payment, and I'll be taking you one-on-one as we are confirming. So this is my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. I normally deal with assisting people payments methods. These are the numerous tutorials that I've done. So ensure in case you need any assistance on any online payment method, either Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, I'm there to assist you. Just head to my newest video. In the description link, you'll find my WhatsApp number and you'll be able to reach me out. In any video, this is a new video, head to the description link and I'll be able to assist you. So this is the description link. You'll find my WhatsApp number. So we'll come here. We can see that we have a money request from we have two pending bills. Money request from Mary Kobe. We'll come here and click yes, and we see we have a pending of $10. We need to make this payment. We'll come here, send the payment. Once we can see the payment is pending. Since the PayPal is still logged in, it will be able to send the payments. And after that, we will see this is Mary Kobe. Sorry, we are not able to complete. Please try again. I don't know why the customer service is not working. So we are supposed to make payment. We are supposed to continue to make this payment. Let us try once more again. Okay, it's refusing. We need to come here to bill this pending. We need to clear this pending bill. Let us try once again. I don't know why it was failing. It should process the payment. So when we open the PayPal, we can see that you can send a reminder or you can edit the amount. Maybe we can edit the amount that we had requested this guy to send. We can edit the amount and make a new request payment of that in total of $13. Then we request the new amount. We'll be able to make it, and you can see we let know and we'll let you as soon as the cash is paid. You can see the transaction details. And once we make that change, the other PayPal account will be by default be notified. It will be notified. It will be notified that that you've made an update of the payment of you've changed the payment to $13. So as it is loading. So we can see that in money request now is $13, total $13. So what we'll do, we'll at least make one activity and pay and send money. We want to send money to the other party. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. So today, my proud viewer, I'm very proud for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Lifestyle tutorials, subscribe. In case you have any query, reach me out and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you.